My name is PeQue. I am a visual communicator. A visual communicator is someone who creates visuals that resonate with people. So contemporary settings, things that people identify with, and to bring some passion with it. I got into doing art professionally. I was actually a Navy hospital corpsman. After realizing that the hospital corps wasn't my thing, someone asked me, well, what is your passion? And I said art. And so that kind of sparked a fire under me, and I actually crossed over from being a Navy hospital corpsman to becoming a Navy Illustrator draftsman. And that's how I got to be an artist. I got into digital art because I just saw the way that things were going. I realized that the tide was turning, and that traditional art, while it still was, I knew it would still be a thing, I thought that traditional art, it would just behoove me to learn more than just the basic traditional art forms. My creative process, I start with, obviously it's a thought initially. I'm thinking, how can I take, for instance, a butterfly and make people get the feeling from that butterfly that I get when I see a butterfly. I always, as I'm creating, I'm always inside the painting. I become a part of the painting. If I'm painting trees, then I'm a tree. I'm a leaf. I'm a bug on the tree. I go deep in there and I wonder what it would be like. Oh wow, if I were here and this is happening, so the color, and I'm feeling it. I want to be a part of what's going on inside the art. Sometimes the sketches are literally in my head and I don't actually get them on paper. But a lot of times I'll sketch it out, think about it, go away from it, come back, sketch it out again, make the adjustments, and then I think about, okay, maybe I need to add paint to this. I'm inspired by different people, and that really pushes me to create something on them. So, like, I love Stevie Wonder as an example, and so his music resonates in me. I'm usually playing his music or something like that when I'm creating. In this season, my preferred materials are digital. I'm using the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil, and I'm creating a lot of digital art that way. But there have been times when airbrush was everything for me, and nothing else mattered but the airbrush. And then there were other times when the traditional brush was the thing. A few things help my digital art stand out. One, not only am I creating an art piece, but I also add things like augmented reality into it, which allows the piece, once I'm finished creating the piece, then I create videos to go with the piece that tell the deeper story of what I'm saying. Augmented reality is when you take a device, your iPad or whatever tablet, phone or whatever, and you hover over the artwork, and it allows the artwork to actually then tell another story. So when I create an augmented reality piece, what I'm usually thinking about is, how would this piece look if it's in motion? My book, Drawn the Art of Purpose, came out of years and years of people asking me to tell them, like, how did you become an artist? What inspires you to create art? I thought, what cool thing would it be to do a coffee table memoir that has augmented reality in it? And so that's what inspired me to do it, and just the feeling that it could make a difference and help not only other people in art, but it would also help artists be able to find purpose, to find passion in what they do. The Liquid Project is an organization that I started many years ago. It actually started out as a church youth program for kids. We wanted to do something that would get kids inspired to be involved, to express themselves, And so I started creating live art on stage and then invited others to come and to do their live art. So while I would create a live painting, then have a spoken word artist come and do spoken word, and then how about a dancer would dance in the middle of that? And how about we had a singer sing while we have a spoken word artist sing, doing their spoken word, the singer singing and the dancer dancing, and I'm creating art. And that's kind of how we got started. I want them to leave inspired. I want them to help them find purpose, to find meaning to their lives. But I hope to make a difference with kids, not just kids, but people, period, that is so much bigger than me. I hope that they would see the world in a much better spot. I'm the most blessed guy in the world because I get to do what I love every day, and that's create art. My art is alive. It's vibrant. My art is something that my intention is to make it resonate with people, that they would look at it and see something deeper than just a picture or a depiction of a photograph or something of life. But I want them to feel it. I want them to leave with something that's just like, wow.